Hello and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today I'm going to take you to one of my favorite restaurants in California. It's Jay Bharat restaurant, and I love all the items from their menu. It's 100% pure vegetarian, but today I ordered 4 items and it's pani puri and khasta kachori. It looks very delicious, very tempting, and it comes in 2 pieces, and also dabeli, which also comes in 2 pieces, and dahi puri. So this is all chaat and snack recipes, but they also have gujarati thali and all sort of snacks item, and I love all of them. And this is so irresistible. I really love the pani puri here, and the fragrance, the aroma of the pani is like a mint, and it's just so refreshing. It's just mouth watering as I speak. As soon as it comes to the table, I can't resist. I start eating, and it is so yummy. You have to try this restaurant. It is pure vegetarian, and you can find Gujarati thali here, which you will find nowhere in California. So I have added the location in the description box, so you can check that out. And their items are delicious. I've been using this restaurant for 20 plus years, and their quality and the taste have not changed. It is very, very delicious food, and you will definitely like it. So you should definitely try it out. And I just can't stop eating pani puri while I was recording this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and as much as I enjoyed the food here. And I'll see you next time with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye.